welcome to my online bazaar. I'm Kayla and I'll be selling some products today. Our collection for today are educational books. Let's start with the first batch, which are the math books, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and measuring. Each book costs 200 pesos, but if you decided to buy these 5 books, it will cost 1,000 pesos. But if you're a customer of mine since then, you can show me a receipt and you can buy the package deal for only 900 pesos. So for the second batch, which are the science books. So the first one, dinosaurs, birds, wild animals, plants, and buildings and transport. These books cost 300 pesos individually, but if you chose to buy 5 of these books, it will cost 1,500 pesos. But if you're a customer of mine since then, you can show me a receipt and you can get the package deal for only 1,350 pesos. All of the books are used, yet it is very reliable and readable. And also, the pages and the covers are still intact and it's like brand new. So if you're interested in buying the items, you can just screenshot the item that you are interested with and send it to my Facebook account. Or if you have any further questions about the items, you can message me on my Facebook account too, and I will answer your questions. So now we're gonna compute the items that I've presented using Microsoft Excel. I'll be back in a minute.
A few minutes later.
Hey guys, and now we're back to compute all of the items from earlier, which were the books using Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, I've already encoded the items and the descriptions of the items from earlier. And now we're gonna start to sum all of the price ranges starting from the math books. So this will be the formula. And then enter, and it says 1,000 pesos. And if you chose the package deal, this will be your discount. $100 will be your discount if you chose the package deal. And now we're gonna see what is the percentage of the discount. And then enter. So it says 10%. So now we're gonna see how many books did Sheila Kato have written from the books that I've presented earlier. So this is how will you count it. Then enter. It says 5. There were 5 books that was written by Sheila Kato. And now, we're gonna compute the other price ranges. Same procedure, but different rows and column. And then enter. And then we're gonna see the package deal discount. And this will be its formula. Then enter. You're gonna save 150 pesos. And then we're gonna see the discount percentage. Then enter. there will be 10% discount. So now we're gonna sum all of the items. This is how we're gonna sum all of it. Then enter. It will be 2,500 if you bought all of the items. And now we're gonna see how many items I've presented earlier. And then enter. There are 10 items. And now we're gonna total how many colors was encoded in the worksheet. So this will be its formula. It is the same in adding all of the price ranges from earlier. Then enter. There are 10 colors. And then we're gonna see how many color reds are in this worksheet. And we're gonna use the formula of sum if. And that is the formula. Then enter. There are 2 color red. Now we're gonna see what is the maximum number from the price ranges. And this will be its formula. Then enter. 1,500 is the maximum from the price range, and now we're gonna see the minimum. Same procedure, but different abbreviation. Then enter. 200 is the minimum. And now we're gonna use the if formula. For example, the column E, row 8, we're gonna see if it's right, and we're gonna use the if formula. Then that is the formula. Enter. It says yes, which means that we're right. And that is all the basic formula in Microsoft Excel that you can use too when you want to start your own business, or you want to decode and encode grades from school. You can use those formula. Thank you for watching.